Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. As expected for today, lots of high-level cloud has been passing through the central and eastern parts of South Africa, while over the Western Cape it was another cloudy morning for some parts of the province, and there was even a bit of light rain in places, although quite a bit of clearance has already taken place. In KwaZulu-Natal, bergwind conditions have been affecting the province beneath all of that high-level cloud, where maximum temperatures have reached the lower 30s for the coastline and the adjacent interior. Now, things are expected to remain quite settled over the next 2 to 3 days thanks to a high pressure system that's settled in. It's going to be mainly clear overnight and into tomorrow. Partly cloudy down in the southwest with high level cloud moving through once again. No rain expected. And on Monday afternoon, temperatures will rise into the 30s once again for much of the Lowveld. By tomorrow evening, it's going to become cloudy along the east coast and the adjacent interior as a weak onshore flow develops. Tonight's rainfall probability map indicating dry weather across South Africa due to that settled pattern that I was talking about, and the dry weather continues into Monday as well. A closer look now at Johannesburg with an overnight low of 6 degrees, mainly clear with that high-level cloud still passing overhead, light and variable winds. But by tomorrow, blue skies have been forecast, a maximum of 23 degrees and wind speeds getting up to 10 kilometers per hour. Now for a look at winds across the rest of South Africa, and after a gusty afternoon in the Eastern Cape, much lighter winds are expected overnight, and light winds will dominate on Monday across most of South Africa. A moderate northwesterly wind is still expected around the Cape Peninsula and along the east coast. That onshore flow will be developing during the second half of the day, and eventually by Monday evening some cloud cover will be moving in for Durban and Richards Bay. Minimum temperatures now to start off Monday morning, and it's going to be cold on the Highveld, lower single digits for many areas, the coldest region being over the southern Mpumalanga Highveld, where a little bit of frost can be expected. 7 degrees for Mahikeng and Polokwane up in the north, and a pair of 11s for Vredendal and Cape Town in the west. Tomorrow afternoon will be quite warm for most of the country, lower to mid-20s and upper 20s up in the northern parts of South Africa, 21 degrees for Port Elizabeth and 20 expected for Cape Town and Sutherland. Now for a look ahead to Tuesday, and there's a small chance for a bit of rain at first in Richards Bay, still getting to a warm 25 degrees, otherwise dry for the rest of the country. And on Wednesday, a cold front will be moving into the west, bringing in cloud cover, lower temperatures and a chance of rain.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com